Okay, for this assignment, I would like you to start with some code that I have written for you. I would like you to download that starter code. So if you go to the course page for assignment 16, you're going to find a link that says assignment16.zip. In Windows, you can download it by right-clicking and clicking Save As, and that'll give you the option to select where you want to save it to. On a Mac, it'll be something else. For some reason, my Windows machine is not doing this right away. Okay, so once you've clicked Save Link As, it opens up a window where you can select where you want to save it. I want to save it, so my workspace is on the Z drive. It's in the folder GOA Instruction, and all the previous assignments are in that folder as separate projects. I'm just going to store my zip folder right inside that workspace folder. And I've got the workspace folder open here on the right. As soon as it's done, I'm going to see that zip file show up. Okay, so I've got my zip file downloaded, and in Windows I would right-click and say Extract All, and then go ahead and extract. And so the idea is to extract that zip file into the folder of your workspace. Once it's extracted, you now have a new folder in your workspace called Assignment 16. At that point, if you like, you can go ahead and delete the zip file. We're done with that. And you need to open up Eclipse. Now in Eclipse, you've got all your existing projects. That folder is there and all the code is in it, but it's not listed as a project in your workspace. So you have to import it into your workspace. So we go File, Import, and you want to go under the General, Existing Project into Workspace. And you click on Next. You browse to the folder where you have unzipped that file. So for me, that would be on the Z drive under GOA Instruction, because that's where I keep my workspace. And then there's Assignment 16. This is the folder that was created when I unzipped the thing. It's very important that that folder be in the same folder as your workspace. So you select the folder, you click on OK, and it's going to go ahead and find the particular project. Now the project is called Arrays and Loops. If I click Finish, it will have a new project in my folder called Arrays and Loops. Now if you like, you can right-click on that and go to Refactor, Rename, and call it something else. I personally would call it Assignment 16. Now you'll notice that refactoring it as Assignment 16 doesn't change anything about this folder was already called Assignment 16. The folder inside of it was already called Arrays and Loops. It hasn't renamed any of your folders or files. It's just done some stuff in its little hidden things that it keeps track of, where here in this Package Explorer it's going to see it as Assignment 16. Now what you'll notice is that once I get this into my workspace, I've got a warning here that I didn't have in my original code. So the question is, where is that warning coming from and why is it there? I don't know, but sometimes when you import a project, you either get a warning or even worse, sometimes an error message where it won't compile. So some of you might have something that doesn't compile right after importing it. You can fix that by right-clicking on the project and going to Build Path and Configure Build Path. You click on the Libraries tab and then double-click where it says JRE System Library. And the idea here is you're just going to tell it to use, usually the thing that works is just to select Workspace Default and click Finish and then OK. And that should make it so it compiles and gets rid of your warnings. Your install of Java is going to be a little bit different. Things are going to be located differently on your computer than they are on my computer, and that's why you have to fix up that build path. And when you transfer a project from one computer to the next. And I'll show you the next steps in the next video.